Stop trying to learn every new programming language. That's a fast track to burnout chasing frameworks that will be obsolete in a year. The developer landscape has shifted, and just learning to code isn't enough for a durable career. In this video, I'll outline the key skills that will define success in this new era. Today, development is about building the right things, securely, at scale, with distributed teams. AI is reshaping the entire lifecycle, and competition for top roles is fiercer than ever. This video is your roadmap, 6 non-negotiable skills that will distinguish developers in 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly where to invest your energy for maximum career impact. The most important new skill isn't a language, it's AI fluency. Tools like GitHub Copilot and Amazon Q Developer now co-write functions, tests, and even refactors. But adoption isn't mastery. Your role evolves from pure coder to AI operator and systems thinker. Ignore AI in 2025, and you'll work harder, not smarter. Mastery of AI tools means writing precise prompts that encode intent, constraints, and edge cases. This precision guides the AI to generate exactly what you need. It also means reviewing AI output for correctness, security, and performance. You'll need to iterate, guiding, constraining, and validating with tests and linters to refine the AI's results. The market rewards depth paired with awareness. Hit 1 or 2 ecosystems and go deep, while staying literate in the rest. Choose a lane and become the person others consult. Depth compounds. It improves architectural judgment, debugging speed, and interview outcomes. Python and JavaScript/TypeScript remain the widest reach bets. Python for AI/data and automation, JS/TS for full stack, and the modern web. These are versatile choices for broad impact. For performance or infrastructure paths, add a systems language like Rust or Go. These languages offer fine-grained control and efficiency for critical systems. As AI takes on boilerplate, your edge becomes problem modeling and efficiency. Know how to pick the right approach under real constraints. AI can code a solution. Engineers define the right solution. This is why strong foundations still dominate senior interviews. They reveal true problem solving. Understand time-space trade-offs, cache behavior, and asymptotic costs. These foundational concepts are crucial for optimizing performance. Master practical patterns like streaming, batching, indexing, and sharding. These techniques are essential for handling large datasets and distributed systems efficiently. If this roadmap is useful, hit like. It helps more developers find it. Now let's cover the skills that separate senior engineers from the rest. In a remote-first world, writing is your voice. Senior engineers excel at clear, concise, and complete async communication. This means pull requests that explain the why, risks, and rollback plans. It also includes bug reports with repro steps, logs, expected versus actual behavior, and environment details. And crucially, design docs that frame trade-offs and decision criteria. Great writing accelerates teams, reduces meetings, and earns trust. Poor writing creates churn and hidden blockers. Graduating from how to why is the senior leap. Product-minded engineers tie work to user outcomes and business goals. Companies promote engineers who solve business problems, not just close tickets. This means asking clarifying questions, challenging requirements, and proposing simpler paths to achieve business objectives. It also involves instrumenting features, reading metrics, and iterating based on evidence to ensure solutions are impactful and effective. Make learning a system, not a mood. Consistency beats intensity. Small, steady upgrades keep skills relevant for years. This means setting weekly time for reading, prototyping, and postmortems. Dedicate time to structured learning.
It also means tracking major shifts, like AI patterns, cloud native, security, privacy, and compliance, and being willing to unlearn when data contradicts habit.
Success in 2025 comes from mastering AI collaboration, committing to deep specialization, and reinforcing timeless foundations. Pair that with exceptional async communication, a product-first mindset, and disciplined learning, and the result is a resilient, top-tier career. Which skill are you doubling down on this year? Drop it in the comments. If this gave you a clearer direction, subscribe so you don't miss what's next.